Good morning everyone. So today I'm going to make in-class activity 5. It's all about strings. So today we're going to make a program that is involving around strings that will solve this following problem. So for our problems, we're going to solve the total number of characters in the string repeated 10 times, the first character of the string, first three characters of the string, last three characters, string in backwards, the seventh string if it's long enough, then message otherwise, then string with its first and last characters removed, then string in all caps, then lastly the string with every A replaced with an E. So I've already input the programs that we are going to use to solve these following problems. So for letter A, we're going to find all the characters in our string. So first, we're going to input a string. So let's try authorization. Then you enter it. So as you can see, our number or total numbers of characters in this string is 13. So next, we're going to repeat it 10 times. So for x in range, then 10, because it needs to be repeated 10 times. Then print the name of your function here, or the name of your variable. So its name, I've stated here name, so its name, I've inputted name. Then let's run it. As you can see, authorization has been repeated 10 times. Then next, we're going to find the first character, then the first three characters. Next is last three characters, then the string backwards. So I've inputted it only um, all together so that it is not messy or it's not too long for this video. So let's play it. So first, we're going to print name 0. So why 0? Because in string we're not starting here at 1, so we're starting at 0. So our first character is 0, or the number 0 in here in our string that is named authorization. Then if you want to print the first three characters, so we're going to use here 0, then colon, then 3. So the number 3 or the third character or the fourth character here, so will not be appearing in the program, but only until to 0 up to 2. So, and then if we want to print the last three characters, we're just going to just print, open and close parentheses, name, then bracket, then -3. So if you put it at the first part here, before using a semicolon, it will be included. It's different if you put before, no. It's different if you put it after the semicolon. So if you put it after the semicolon, it will not be included. But if you put it before the semicolon, it will be included. Then if we want to print it backwards, we just only have to put double colon here, then -1. So let's run it. So as you can see, the 0 here is the first character. So A, then 4 here, the first three characters, AUT. So as you can see, the number 3 or the fourth character in the string is not included. So in printing the last three characters, as you can see, the -3 is being included because it's before the colon. So if you put it after the colon, it will not be included. But here is a different case because we put two colons. So as you can see, the authorization has been spelled backwards. So after that, we're going to find the seventh character of the string if the string is long enough and message otherwise. So I think it's long enough to have a 7 character. So as you can see, it's Z, but if we put here 6, because we're starting from 0, then it will be different. So it will be I. Because we're finding for the 7th character, so it's 6. It's like just -1. Then next is we're going to remove the first and last letter. So we're just going to print name, then the first, the one here, because it's first character, then length, then the name, then just -1. So let's try. As you can see, authorization. Instead of authorization, it's authorization. Authorization with no A and N. Then after that, we're going to all caps the string. Then just print the name of your function, then dot, then upper, then close. Open and close parentheses. Then it's all caps. Then for the last problem, we're going to replace every A in the function with an E. So we're just going to just put here rep equals name, then print rep that replace A with an E. So let's try. As you can see, all the A here has been replaced by an E. So let's try in a different way. So we're just going to put A here, enter. So we got 35. Then we're going to change it, close this, then run it again. Oh, it's all caps, sorry. We're just going to use the lowercase a, enter. So it's 14. Then let's see. As you can see, it's been changed the A to an E. So I think that's all. Um, Thank you for listening. This is my activity 5 demo video. Thank you.